Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Yes, how are you today?
Fine. Really good. And you?
Before we begin, let's pray together. Pray together. Finish. Okay, first let me check your attendance. Wailana Widiananda,
Present, Miss.
Sifana Mayu,
Present, Miss.
Dita Putriana Afterno,
Present, Miss.
Musyahada,
Present, Miss.
Jaskia,
Present, Miss.
Daya Nasren,
Present, Miss.
and Cynthia Nadila. Oh, where's Cynthia?
She's sick, Miss.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, thank you for taking the question. Before we start, I want you to look at these pictures. First, let's look at the picture on the left. What happened in the picture?
Raining, Miss.
Okay, it was like, yeah, it was
Raining.
hard. And what about the picture on the left? The right?
Boy.
Black umbrella.
Yes.
Black umbrella.
Black.
He was walking on the road with many waves.
Many waters and umbrella. Let's look at these two sentences. How can we connect these sentences?
Using conjunction.
What conjunction? Okay, it's correct, Laila, but for example, we can use conjunction. So it is raining, so he uses an umbrella. Do you think the other conjunction?
Yes.
When, Miss.
Well, it's correct.
When it's raining.
When it's raining.
It's raining. It is raining. We use an umbrella. So this is the example for the conjunction. I think you guys have understand about conjunction. So today we are gonna learn about compound and complex sentences using conjunctions. And by the end of the lesson, you will be able to combine two simple sentences into compound sentences using coordinating conjunctions, and combine sentences into complex sentences using subordinating conjunctions, and the last produce simple original sentences using appropriate conjunction in a writing task. Let's move to the explanation part. So what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or sentences. There are two types of conjunction. First one is coordinating conjunction, which connects two equal ideas that can form a compound sentence. And the second type is subordinating conjunction, which can connect main idea and supporting idea that can form two complex sentences. I will explain the Example,
So many years.
yes. First, we learn coordinating conjunction. Coordinating coordinating conjunction is connects two independent parts. So the form is independent plus independent or sentence. What is independent sentences? It's been a complete sentence which is can stand alone. And the example is you can see at the slide. The first one is for. It is for source reason, and the example sentences is she stayed calm for she wanted to avoid trouble. We use for to give a reason, usually in more formal writing. Okay, you can sambil mencatat, it's okay. Because it's many conjunction we have to learn in this meeting. Okay, the second example is and. It shows addition. For example, the students entered the room and they sat quietly. We use and to connect the two similar or related ideas. Wait. Coordinating is for connect quality. And the third example is nor, which is it shows negative addition. We use nor. For example, the students entered the room. He did not respond, nor did he look at me. We use nor after a negative addition or negative sentence to add another negative idea. So for nor, it always the first sentence is always negative. And the example for the fourth example, but it shows contrast. We use contrast. We use but. For example, the food was simple, but it was delicious. We use but when two ideas are different or opposite. And next is or. It shows choices. For example, we can leave now or we can wait a little longer. We use or because when we give it's for when we give options or alternatives. And next is yet. It shows an unexpected contrast. For example, the room was small, yet it felt comfortable. Ruangannya sempit tapi nyaman. Yet is similar to bird, but it shows a stronger or surprising contrast. And the last is so. Result. It shows result, and for example, the road was blocked, so we took another way. We saw when one action is the result of another action. So from this coordinating conjunction we can singkat menjadi can remember this. Okay. You have done read this?
Yes.
Okay, let's what can you mention what penguins?
F is
for
A
for and
no but
yeah.
so
So, okay, good job. Any question?
yes.
And the second type is subordinating conjunction. This type connects a main idea and a supporting idea. And the form is independent. Plus dependent. So dependent sentences support the independent sentences, and dependent sentences cannot stand alone. And subordinating, it can form complex sentence. So remember coordinating conjunction for wait, I forgot. It can form compound sentence. Compound sentence. So coordinating conjunction for compound sentence and subordinating for complex sentence. Let me explain the example. For subordinating, the first conjunction is because it shows reason. For example, they explain direct reason. For example, he stayed quiet because he was nervous. We use because to explain reason for something. And although it shows contrast, and the example, she kept working although she felt tired. We use although when two ideas are opposite but both still happen. It's similar with coordinating conjunction tadi, but the form of sentences is different. And the next example is if. It shows condition. For example, I will join the trip if I finish my work. So we use if to show a condition for for condition that must happen first. And the last is since. It shows reason. For example, they stayed inside since it was raining hard. So we use since when the reason is clearly already known or clear. Oke. Sampai sini, any question?
No. Ini semua. Iya.
Let's do the prayer walk. We'll give you the worksheet. Let's look at part A. You will work with your partner. Everyone already have a partner or?
That's me.
Oh yes. Okay. You have to fill in the blanks to make the correct conjunction. And discuss with your partner first before you start your writing your answer. If there is difficulty, that's okay if you ask me to explain again because it's so easy. You can look again at the example.
Yes. Yes.
So you share it in Any difficulties? Understand this because you explain it so good I understand. Please tell me this video. Oh yeah, I will take more 10 minutes. I forgot this. Okay. Do you want to see subordinating?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
very confident, guys.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so let's take a look at the number one. Dina likes reading books. Blank, she enjoys writing stories. Can anyone? Please raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes.
We think the answer is F. Dina likes reading books and she enjoys writing stories.
Do you know why? Because the first sentence is
Adding more
yes,
statement.
yes, because it shows addition, right? Let's look at this. That's correct, very good. And the number two, this students. Okay, do you want to answer the question? Data. Please read the sentences, okay?
I think that the answer is north.
No.
Yes. So the students did not go in the routine nor give their turn contribution
Yes. You know why?
because it's like a negative addition.
Yes, negative addition and let's take a look at the answer. Because the first sentences is already negative, right? Number three. Do you want to answer? Anyone? Please, Nurshada.
Number three, we think as the answer is but.
But
I was very tired, but I still finished my homework.
okay, let's check the answer. That's correct. Do you know why? It's but
I think because it shows contrast. Yes.
contrast. Okay, that's correct. And next for the for questions. Is there anyone who want to answer?
I want to answer it.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, it's or.
So you can stay here or you can come with us.
Okay, let's check the answer. Okay, very good. Do you know why it's or?
Because it gives option.
Yes, it's also option of choices. Very good. Next, number five. Sorry, number five. Number five. Yes, Laila.
So if in the number 5 so that I studied hard, so I passed the exam.
I studied hard, so I'll pass the exam. Let's check the answer. Yes, very good. Do you know why it's so?
Because so it's
So it
show
result. Yes, that's correct. Very good. And number 6. Is there anyone want to answer? Yes, there's none. Go ahead, please.
We think that the answer is foremost.
Four.
Yeah. So he was late or he missed the bus.
He was late for the bus. Let's check the answer. Okay, that's correct. You guys are so smart. That's correct. Do you know why?
Because it shows the reason missed.
Yes, it's true. It shows the reason, but in more formal writing, so maybe it's not familiar, right? And number 7. Yes, Ivan?
I stayed at home because I was sick. So the answer is because.
Because. Let's take the answer. Yay! Do you know why It's because
It shows reason. I stay at home. The reason is sick.
reason is
Yeah.
okay, thank you. Very good, everyone. And number 8. Daya Masri, do you want to answer?
Although yes.
Although, okay, can you read the sentences? The sentence?
We still went outside, although it was raining heavily.
We still went outside, although it was raining heavily. Okay, thank you. Let's take the answer. Although. Do you know why it's although?
Because
Ask your friend.
Because it is with me, it can go.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, it's like so a contrast. Right? Okay, next. Number 9. Yes, Michelle.
I think the answer for number 9 is yeah.
Yeah.
She did not study for the test, yet she got a good score.
Let's take the answer. Very good. Okay, it use yet because it shows contrast. Yeah, it's similar with the previous number. And next, number 10. Yes, this year.
I will go outside if the weather is good.
Okay, let's take the answer. Very good. Do you know why the answer is if?
Because it's the determinant.
It shows, yeah, it shows condition. Condition is the weather is good. So let me go outside.
Yeah.
And last number 11. Yes, Devka.
I think the answer is since.
Since, can you read?
We canceled the trip since the weather forecast showed a storm.
Yes, let's take the answer. Sorry. Let's take the answer. Yay! Do you know what it says?
Because it shows the reason is.
Yes, the reason is clearly already known, right?
Yes.
That's very good. I think all of you benar semua.
Yes, we
So smart.
Yes, look.
Okay, the last I will. Let's do the independent work. We will work independently. Please take a look at part B. Please work individually and do not copy from previous class. From previous example. No, it's only 2 sentences, okay? One compound sentence and one complex sentence. I will give you 10 minutes. Is it enough?
Yes.
You can choose one of the topics. You can look at the example and the slide if you want. You know guys? Yes, it's fun. Perfect. Leila? It's the Mushahada? There, okay, I will invite some of you to read your sentences. Please, any volunteers? Yes, Sipa, please go
Here
ahead.
or in front?
Oh, you can. Go in front of the class.
Yes, the sentence, right? Or what?
Both. Oh, that's okay. You can read the common sentence and
Okay.
yeah.
So my corpus sentence. I want to play with my friends, but it starts to rain heavily. Yes.
Okay, what topics do you choose?
My activity at home or free time.
Free time. And what conjunction do you use?
But
Okay, so much.
thank you.
Give applause to you. Okay, and volunteers again?
Laila.
No. Lefta? Yes? Yes, please.
Both of them.
Yeah, both of them.
So for the common sentence, I don't really have much to do at home, but I try to find activities that I like. And then for the complex sentence, I cannot go anywhere because it is rainy and cloudy outside.
Okay, what topics do you choose?
I choose my activities at home.
And what conjunction do you choose?
At tampon, I use but in complex sentence, I use because.
Okay, thank you so much, Lefta. Thank you, Lefta. Okay, the last, any volunteers again? Or we should move on? The one to volunteer next. Yes, Desmia, please. Go ahead.
Compound sentence. I haven't eaten yet. I'm still not hungry. I use yet means.
Yes. Yeah.
For complex sentence, I like The Conjuring. Although I hate horror movies,
So what topics do you choose?
I choose for the compound my activities at home. And for complex, I use entertainment.
Oh, you choose two topics. That's very good, Desmia. Thank you so much. Give a round of applause. Okay, reflect what we learned today. So what is a conjunction? Do you know the conjunction? It's to connect
Communication,
to connect words, phrases, or sentences, right? And can you mention some example? What are the types of conjunction and what are the examples? There are two types tadi.
Ordinating.
And subordinating. Do you know what conjunction in coordinating conjunction?
More.
Friend voice.
Voice.
Tadi. Kasi yung friend voice.
For.
And. Not.
But. Or.
So.
Yet. So.
Okay, friend voice. And what about the subordinating conjunction?
Kas. So. If.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, what type of sentence can we make using conjunction? Using coordinating conjunction. Compound sentence. And what about being subordinating?
Complex sentence.
Complex sentence. Okay, that's very good. You are also smart. Okay, is the conclusion. And I think that's all for today's lesson. Maybe it's hard because it's too many conjunction, but don't worry, we can be learning in deep in the next meeting, okay? And okay, thank you and see you next week.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.